Hello everyone, Billie here. Wanted to ask you, are you aware or did you know that you bring into this life through your DNA cellular memory? Cellular memory, like patterns, unhealed things your soul went through. It's all part of your journey and the whole karma cycle we were on for a while. So pretty awesome, right? So right now that we are at this ascension time, raising our vibration, right? We're all learning or working, towards doing that inner work, right? It all starts within. And that's how we change the outer world as well. It ripples out too. We help humanity by starting with the inner work in our own heart. So that alone is so huge. And yes, of course, as the energy raises and more light comes upon the planet from the higher realms, we're having so much wonderful assistance in the ascension process. And yet, what we may feel as a side effect, imagine, high vibration coming in, you're feeling more light, freer, healthier, or at least it pushes you to, breathe and really work with the energy. Ground that light into the earth and find your center, right, your core. And so with more light, can you imagine that anything that's not light is now being illuminated? And that's happening all around the world, and it's also happening within. So those blocks that we have or had all our lives or lifetimes, right? We actually, sometimes the story behind our stuff, our issues, or the patterns we repeat, it starts in past lives. For the most part, most of us are old souls. And we chose to come back here and to kind of heal, to release this. So we're here to anchor light and transmute anything that's not light. And so that could be our past, our fears, our past life stuff, maybe there's soul retrieval work that needs to be done, whatever it is. But anyway, it's all cellular memory, and we can transmute it. We are powerful beings, and we also have powerful help from the higher realms. So, I feel so good. And so I do want to share with you on that note that I have coming up soon, so please check below, a clearing cellular memory event, an online Zoom event where we can connect, go within, and receive help, assistance from our higher self, our guides. We'll be working with the archangels, with the Arcturians who are healing helpers. We will really reprogram, rewire our minds with energy and the love frequency, right? Imagine releasing, saying goodbye, cutting the cords to all that limiting stuff, and really breathing in love and light, becoming, becoming the best you. The true you is that light, is that love. You're here with a purpose, a mission. And so let's gather, let's get together, because together we are way more powerful than just one. And, as we join heart light to heart light, let's shed, let's release, let's rewire our inner makeup. Let's say goodbye to all those limiting patterns, the old programming, because we are gods and goddesses. We're in charge of creating our reality. So I know I choose to no longer be, or allow other people's free will to, influence or guide mine, unless it's for the highest good. That's my intention always, for the highest and greatest good of all. So let's release together and, step into the heart mind and just let it flow and just be the love that you are. It's just already here. So let's transmute what's keeping you from knowing that, from being that. All right, enough said. Until next time, hope you join me. Love always.